Hi and welcome to this video. Today we will talk about the new newsletter function in the new Outlook. So let's get started. Microsoft released a newsletter function in the new Outlook, but it's still in the preview mode and it's not accessible for everyone. I'm going to put this link in the description. Here you can see the access. You need a read and write access as it's written here to create pages and newsletters in the new Outlook. You can read through this documentation to see if you can get the permission or not. In my case, I have a family 365 subscription, so I don't have the access. It's only for people who have Microsoft Exchange and SharePoint. So only these people have the access to the newsletters module in Outlook. And here you can read it. Newsletters is available to be enabled for any users who have both an Exchange online mailbox and access to the SharePoint. It's written here. There's a lot of information, blah, 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 but this is, I think, the most important thing about it. And there is another page, since I can't explain it to you and show you anything. There is a page here from Microsoft. I'm going to put also this link in the description. It's like a tutorial about how to create newsletters in the new Outlook. And here you can see create a template. You need to access this link here on the top, outlook.office.com/newsletters. And here you'll have kind of basic templates, blank, creator, and basic. And we have here a drop down explaining the format options and kind of navigation about the features and the functions inside this new feature. You can go over them and read them and maybe test them if you have the Microsoft Exchange subscription or the business subscription. I don't have it, so I can't help now. Hopefully, they will give me access in the future, or they will release it for all Microsoft users. And that's it all for today. If you have any question, please leave a comment. Hopefully, I can help with my limited access. And don't forget to like and subscribe.